In this tutorial, we will cover how to integrate real-time data from Gigasheet into Tableau. You can import live data from Gigasheet to Tableau Desktop with the URL for BI and Spreadsheets. Just follow these steps. First, click the link in the bottom of this video or have Gigasheet Tableau live URL document open. Copy this link in the document. Next, open Tableau Desktop. Go under the Connect section and the subsection for server connection. Select Web Data Connector. Next, enter this community-supported Web Data Connector. This link is included in the Gigasheet Tableau docs, so feel free to copy it from there. Hit Enter or Return. This next pop-up is where you will paste your Gigasheet Live URL. Go back to Gigasheet to give this a copy. And paste it in Tableau. Proceed to initiate the connection. Tableau will then process the request to retrieve data from the Gigasheet file. Depending on the size of your file, this could take a few minutes. Gigasheet automatically refreshes the data at this URL for continuous updates. Depending on your Tableau implementation, you may be able to schedule data refreshes in Tableau Desktop. And that's it. It is so easy to connect Tableau to Gigasheet. If you have any more questions, feel free to email us at support@gigasheet.com. Thank you for watching.